Hi guys, it's Paul here. So I want to just go through the setup of an inline opt-in form. So what is an inline opt-in form? Well, if you look at this blog post here, which is Elena's blog post on, it's a blog about how to generate a second income by teaching group Spanish classes. And the whole idea of this blog post really is to add a bit of value, give a bit of personality and background, but at the same time, the main thing is to get subscribers. So we have links here that take the user off to the normal type of squeeze page you might expect to see, which is this one here. But what we wanted to do was to test an inline opt-in form that looks like this. So we've just put one at the top here. When they click on that, they are met with a nice little pop-up window here. So it feels like they're not actually having to leave the page to fill in their details. So I just want to talk about how to set this bad boy up. So the opt-in links is a simple plugin. Okay, so you just download it, install it in the same way as you would any other type of plugin. You have to go to campaigns. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a test campaign. So this allows you to stipulate, which business you are collecting your email addresses for. So for us, it's Spanish Class Profits, and we are going to just call this test because this is obviously a test. You can give it a description if you wish to. So this is subscribers to the free report, for example, and then you go on to the next step. Now once you install the plugin, it gives you an option of being able to integrate it with your preferred autoresponder. Now I'm using GetResponse for this particular list, and all you have to do is just get your, in this case, GetResponse API key, which you normally find in your GetResponse admin settings. It's a long number. You just plonk it into a box, press OK, and that integrates the autoresponder with this plugin. So I want the lists to go into, I want the email addresses to go into this list here, and we click on next step. So here's the next thing: define the campaign secure pages. Now obviously what you're looking to do is, once the person has entered their email address, you want to take them off to the free report or whatever it is. However, in this case, what I'm doing is I'm setting up the control of the pages using GetResponse. I'm using double opt-in for this one. So the next page I really want them to see is the thank you for subscribing page. Now go and check your email. So we're going to click on the confirm page. Now this is a page which I've already set up within WordPress as a page, and just basically says thanks for subscribing, go and check your email, I've sent you a confirmation email, click on the link, and then once you've clicked on it you can get your free report. So that's where I want them to go after they've opted in. So the opt-in link name, so we're just going to call this one Spanish Class Profits opt-in link test. And again, you stipulate the secure page that you want them to go to after they have after they've entered their email. And again, it's the confirm email page that I mentioned before. There's several different forms that you can use. The one that I'm going to be using is this one, which you saw earlier. There's several different ones you can use. That's the best one, I think. And then once you've chosen that one, there's several different other options down here. So here you're controlling the actions that you want the user to take after they've opted in. So for example, confirm double opt-in for access. Now this is the plugins version of double opt-in confirmation. I'm going to be using GetResponse to control everything. There's opt-in not required. I really don't know why they put that one there. I'm sure they've got a good reason. Do not redirect to a secure page. I don't know why they're doing that. An open secure page in a new tab. Well, I don't want that to happen. I want the secure page to open up in the same window. And so really, just that's what you want to do. Just click on that one there, and then you create the campaign. Excellent. So there's the Spanish class profits test campaign. Now, once the user enters their email address, they're then met with several different windows, and you can control what those look like. And you do that by going down to opt-in forms, and then you can create custom forms here. And so what I want to do is I want to create a custom form based on, similar to the default opt-in form which I showed you earlier. So we can click on that button there, and it'll show you what the default form looks like here. So when your user clicks on an inline link, they're going to be met with this page here, and you might not like the secured content, for example. So what you can do is you can go into this button down here, and you can change that if you want to, for example, get your free report here. And then if you want to change this text, you do the same by using the tables on the left, and you can change this. You can even change the button as well if you wish. If you've activated the plugins double opt-in functionality, then you can change this if you wish. And then once they've entered their email address into the box, the user is then met with this little pop-up box here. You might want to change this as well based on what you're actually doing, and you can do all of that using these boxes on the left hand side. So once you've created your customized opt-in forms, you can then just go, pop-up boxes rather, you can then just click submit customization there. Opt-in form name is required. So this is Spanish class profits demo. That'll do nicely. Go back and save. And there you have it. Now, in terms of adding these links into a page, it's dead simple. You can add them to pages, or you can add them to posts. So if you go to all pages, I've got a test page here. So if we go in there and edit, you can see that I've already got a test link here. So let's just delete that. 1 second. Now if I wanted to click here to opt in to get your free report, you'd highlight that, and then you'd click on this, and then you would click on the opt-in form that you want to use for that particular link, and that will integrate it, and then you just simply publish, and then you are good to go. So if we view this page now, you'll see that the link I created is just down here. And so if we click on that, then you'll see that the email capture box that we just created has appeared. So there you go, guys. That is how you set up inline opt-in forms. I hope you found this useful. It's Paul from Productize with Paul, and have a great day.